Hey everyone, I'm back, and first of all, let me wish you all Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. May God bless you all. Okay, let's get started with the video. It's gonna be very fast. I'm gonna make it quick, okay? So today I'll show you all how to get some free samples pack, sound packs, and provided you by CYMBALS.com. Link is in the description. Go ahead and click on the link, and it will straight away head you to this website. In the website you're gonna find all the information about this pack. Okay, you're gonna get about 103 sample packs, kick drum, which includes kick drums, 808 bass, claps and snares, cymbals, vocal chants. This is my favorite, and 13 effects and 3 instruments. Okay, and you can download by clicking here. Okay, just click here and it will download. See, as you have seen, I have already downloaded. I'm not gonna download it again. So just in case if you are curious how this whole pack sounds, let me show you the demo of it. This website also provide you with the demo sounds. So here you go. So yeah, this is how this pack sounds, and I think that's it, guys. Go ahead and get the file if you like it, and make sure to check out these websites. They have free stuffs, as well as you can buy some stuffs if you like it. And yeah guys, just make sure to subscribe because it really helps, and comments, rate and share. Peace guys, I'm out.